Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for subtraction str and str. This error occurs when you try to perform a subtraction operation between two strings. In Python, the dash operator is used for arithmetic subtraction between numbers, but it cannot be used between strings. For example, consider the following code. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this code, the variables a and b are strings, but we are trying to subtract them using the dash operator. This will result in a type error because strings do not support the dash operator. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are performing the correct operation on the correct data types. If you want to concatenate two strings, you can use the plus operator. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. This will output hello world because we have concatenated the two strings. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.